that.
अरे बाइट दे रहा तो 2 मिनट का काम है, तुम क्या वापस आएंगे तो बाइट दो। बाइट देकर निकलेंगे क्या? जिंदगी में बैठे रहेंगे। रोल इन, पकड़ कैमरा।
This is the best day of our lives.
See, as an individual, we are very satisfied. As an actor, we are very nervous. And
We are?
yeah, I am. I mean, I don't know. I'm really nervous as an individual. There's a satisfaction that it's happening and it's coming
Yeah, it's
true.
actually happening.
And
Which is
we're
a
just
dream
waiting
come
for
true.
it
Yeah.
to happen. And let's see what the
Fingers
reactions
crossed.
of the people.
Let's see what happens.
एक्साइटमेंट तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा है, बट उसी हिसाब से वो बटरफ्लाइज भी हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. हम लोगों ने अपना काम कर दिया, अब देखते हैं बाकी लोग.
बाकी ऊपर वाले के हाथ.
So from your
फॉर टुडेस
screening?
I think it's Balaji moreover.
Balaji, guest moreover.
Yeah.
We guys are coming, and tomorrow we guys are having another screening where we will
Where we will be inviting our friends.
So are you
Yes.
We are.
Yes, we are.
Nobody is
really
there to pull a leg.
She's not here, so we
She's
can't
not
pull her
here.
leg right
Yeah.
now. But otherwise, yeah. See, I
film has
think
already come true, I think,
I'm
because of
already
film is
living my
coming,
dream right now, and this film is happening, and there are a lot of dreams they will never come true. Like, I mean, even if one dream comes true, there's another. You pursue
बहुत
another
सारे
dream,
सपने यार आगे.
and you keep on going on for it. So I don't know. It's very momentary and very subjective right now. So we're just gonna go with it. See, I'm not really doing a comic role. I'm just playing dumb.
Okay.
And very seriously, I'm playing a loser. But otherwise, I want to do something which will push my limits and make me do something that I'm not in my real life. And as an actor, will challenge me and satisfy my creative instincts.
And what about you, sir?
I think कुछ ऐसा करने को मिले जिसमें कुछ अलग हो, apart from me. Like I don't want to play me again and again. This is not me actually.
Okay.
But yeah, something very innovative and something very creative. I would love to do something creative. We can't disclose that.
No, actually, there are a few we're talking about, but
Yeah.
we haven't really signed anything yet,
Yeah.
so we can't really discuss it. Unless we sign it, we can't really discuss it. Once we
There
sign
are
it,
things in
then
the pipeline, but once something has been finalized, then we'll surely let everybody know.
See, film experience was amazing. It was my first film, and for me, it was like for the first time I was facing camera and everything. So I was a little, not really nervous, but I was a little curious about how it works. But after the first day, it was never looking back, and it went really well. And apart from that, my co-actors were really helpful, and we were all
But
giving
you were also
energy.
very smooth, man. We never realized that he was facing the camera for the first time.
But that's a different thing. But still, they were really helpful, and we were like giving and taking from each other, and a lot of energy.
That is so true. We both were learning from each other.
From each other and everyone on the set.
From yeah.
And I think our director has such a sorted head, and he's so clear in
He
what
handles
his
us.
vision is so
Yeah.
clear that it becomes much easier for the actors when the director is so sure about what the shot has to be and what he wants out of the scene.
इधर रुके देख लो थैंक यू इंटरव्यू ये लोग को दे
I'm sure Sid is a very level-headed boy. He's been around in the industry for a few years. So definitely he knows to hope for the best but expect the worst.
बहुत पॉजिटिव है और आई थिंक मैं हमेशा लोगों को यही बोलता हूँ, जैसे मेरे को भी लोग ये बोलते हैं कि यार नए डायरेक्टर के साथ काम कर रहा है, तो मैं बोलता हूँ कि यार अगर नयों के साथ काम नहीं करोगे तो जो बड़े हैं वो बड़े बनेंगे, बड़े बने कैसे हैं? तो हर कोई एक टाइम पे नया था ना, अगर लोग ये मेंटालिटी रखेंगे तो खाली कोई नया बड़ा बनेगा ही नहीं. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट स्टेप बाय बालाजी, बाय बाय बालाजी, बाय विजय, बाय एवरीवन. इट्स अ ग्रेट स्टेप यार कि नए लोगों को डेब्यूटेंट्स को चांस दे रहे हैं. एंड आई थिंक फिल्म बहुत बड़ी बनेगी इसी वजह से, क्योंकि इन्होंने नए लोगों को चांस दिया. आई थिंक नए लोगों के अंदर जो जोश होता है वो और भी कहीं ज़्यादा होता है, क्योंकि दे हैव टू प्रूव समथिंग. जो पुराने वो प्रूव कर चुके हैं तो उनको उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता. मैडम को फिल्म का टाइटल ही कह रहा है
भाई मैं भाग रहा, मुझे फिल्म देखनी है अभी, नहीं मत बना. मेरी नेक्स्ट फिल्म होगी होम स्टे, जो एक साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर है. उसमें मेरा डबल रोल है, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. मेरी पहली साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर है, सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट. अभी तय नहीं हुआ, आई थिंक जुलाई या अगस्त में होगा.
पूजा जी, अभी पीछे गाड़ी